So, hello. Hello guys. Do you know Diwata? Do you know Diwata?
Okay, is there one of my holdings on church? Same as us?
No?
No?
I'm a person in Diwata. What do you know Diwata? It's a lager. Diwata. Lager.
Lager?
Diwata. Diwata, the Paris Overload.
He owns this.
Oh, he owns this.
Vlogger. He's very famous here.
Famous. He's famous. Close with ako.
Yeah, one famous.
Yes. One famous. Close with ako guys. Close with ako.
24/7.
From Perth. Perth, Australia.
From Australia.
Hey, what's up from Australia?
Hello.
They're from Philippines.
Hello. Ah, Diwata oh guys oh. Diwata. Sige na muna. Let's Diwata.
Diwata.
Ito Diwata oh.
Thank you. Dami.
Sarap pala ang parang mo.
Dito.
Tumutulong na yung sipon ko. Ayan na.